Now today we study about the internal structure of Marsillia, stem or rhizome, TS root and TS petiole. In TS stem or rhizome, internally it shows outermost single layer epidermis, which are the cells of the epidermis are compactly arranged, and cortex below epidermis. Cortex is present, and cortex is divided into outer cortex, middle cortex and inner cortex. The outer cortex contains, it is made up of also parenchymatous cells and having large number of air chambers. Each and the air chambers are separated from one another by a septum. This is the outer cortex. Below the outer cortex, middle cortex is present. It consists of sclerenchymatous cells, means having thickening on their wall. That's why they give the mechanical support to the plant or rhizome. And below they are also compactly arranged. Inner cortex, it is parenchymatous, having thin walled parenchymatous cells, and innermost layer is a endodermis. In case of rhizome or stem, the endodermis are present towards outside as well as inner side. Means endodermis, outer endodermis is followed by the outer pericycle. Below outer pericycle there is the presence of outer phloem, and after outer phloem there is a ring of xylem, and below the inner to the xylem inner phloem is present, then inner pericycle and inner endodermis, and central part remains occupied by means of sclerenchymatous teeth, which also gives the mechanical support. Means in case of rhizome of Marsillia, the vascular bundle, they are amphiphloic siphonospele type. Amphiphloic siphonospele means the xylem remains surrounded outer side as well as inner side by means of outer phloem and inner phloem. Therefore, the vascular bundle is amphiphloic siphonospelic type. And another peculiar point in the rhizome, that presence of outer endodermis, inner endodermis, outer pericycle and inner pericycle. This is about the internal structure of rhizome. Then internal structure of root. TS of root shows the outer cortex, middle cortex and inner cortex. In case of rhizome, the middle cortex is made up of sclerenchyma, while in case of root, inner cortex is made up of sclerenchyma. The outer cortex is parenchymatous, having number of air chambers, and they are separated by means of partition walls called as septum. Middle cortex is also parenchymatous, and the cells are arranged with compact and without intercellular spaces, while the inner cortex, it is sclerenchymatous. It gives mechanical support to the root. Then innermost layer, it is endodermis. Endodermis, then it is followed by a rectangular pericycle. The endodermis cells, they have the Casparian strips on their wall. Then in central, diarch condition of xylem element is present, which remains surrounded by phloem tissue. Diarch means in center, metaxylem element is present, and towards both the end there is protoxylem element. Means in case of root, the vascular bundles are of protospelic type, while in case of rhizome, it is amphifloic siphonostelic type of vascular bundles are present. Then next, TS of petiole. The petiole, it shows also outermost layer epidermis surrounded by a cuticle. Then hypodermis, just single layer below the epidermis, and then outer cartilage, which also made up of parenchyma cells, and the cells of in outer cartilage there are number of air cavities present. They are called air chambers. Remain partitioned by means of wall called as septum. The inner cartilage is also parenchymatous. Here the sclerenchymatous tissue are absent in case of petiole, while the inner cartilage region contains some of the cells starch grains in them and some contain tannin in them. Tannin cells are present in inner cartilage. The innermost layer, it is a single layered epidermis having the Casparian strips on them. Then inner to the endodermis, single layered pericycle is present, and in center the V-shaped xylem elements are present having the arm-like structures. In the center of each arm there are metaxylem elements, and towards the tip of arm protoxylem elements are present, and these xylem elements remain surrounded by means of phloem. This is about the TS of petiole. What is the difference between the TS of rhizome and root? In case of rhizome, the vascular bundle, they are amphifloic siphonostelic condition, means the xylem element remains surrounded on both the sides, outer as well as inner side, by means of phloem. And also there are two endodermal layers, outer endodermis, inner endodermis, outer pericycle and inner pericycle, and in center there is a central teeth region having sclerenchymatous cells, while in case of root, not middle cartilage but inner cartilage is sclerenchymatous, while the upper layer in both the three cases they contain air chambers in the outer cartilage region. They are also parenchymatous, means air cavities is present in outer region of rhizome, TS root and TS petiole. But in middle cartilage, in case of rhizome, the sclerenchymatous tissue is present, while in TS root, inner cartilage is sclerenchymatous. In case of rhizome, the vascular bundles are amphifloic siphonostelic, while in case of root, only diarch condition, protostelic condition of vascular tissue is present, and it remains surrounded by phloem, outer phloem, means completely phloem. While in case of rhizome, outer phloem, inner phloem is present, as well as outer endodermis, inner endodermis, outer pericycle and inner pericycle. In case of petiole, there are two regions of cartilage, outer cartilage and inner cartilage. And in outer cartilage, air chambers are present, means as the plants they are aquatic as well as amphibious. In case of aquatic plant, the air cavities are more as compared to terrestrial species. And inner cartilage contains, some of the cell contains starch grain in them, some of the cell contains the tannin in them. And the vascular bundles are V-shaped, having the central metaxylem element and peripheral with the arm and the tip, they are protoxylem element. This is about the internal structure of rhizome, root and petiole of Marsillia plant. The question may be asked on the diagrams also, or if there is an exam of MCQ type, then they don't ask you diagram, but they ask you the vascular bundle in rhizome which type, in root which type, and in petiole which type. Again, air chambers, air cavities, and sclerodermatic tissue were present. Such type of questions may be asked in MCQ type. Thank you.